was nothing but a Friday night. He told me he loved me and it just felt right. It didn't take more than a couple of weeks. I got the news in the ladies' room at the BP. Little pink plus and there wasn't no guessing. We're gonna have us a shotgun wedding. It ain't 'cause mama didn't raise me right, ain't 'cause daddy didn't try. Two boy kids on a Friday night, got to kissing in the dark in a parking lot. Calling up family and we're making plans, giving me a hand-me-down wedding band. Ready or not, daddy's gonna give his blessing on a shotgun wedding. My white dress might be off the shade, but it's still